say your headrest is a little wiggly, okay? On these Whitmyers, they have a ball and socket joint right down in here. So you can't tighten one side down only. Let's say this is your loose side. You look at the socket back here, you're gonna see that it clamps on both sides. If you tighten down this side all the way, it's gonna actually open this side and you're not actually gonna be able to get the whole headrest tight. So you're gonna wanna get it where you want it. And then you're gonna tighten one side just a little bit and then tighten the other side just a little bit. In fact, this side's still tight. So we're gonna wanna loosen both sides, not fully, but just so that you can see it's kind of even down in there. And then we're gonna go slow tighten, slow tighten, slow tighten, slow tighten. Okay, and that's how you can get these all the way tight, all in one position.